In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove game files from Steam Tool. You can do this entirely through the Steam client or manually through your system's file explorer, depending on your goal. Begin by opening Steam. I have the app open in here. Now, navigate to your library here. Find the game you want to remove. Now, then right-click it, select Manage. Finally, click on Uninstall. Steam will ask you to confirm the uninstallation. Once approved, it will delete all major game files from your drive, though some leftover folders like saved games, mods, or configuration files might remain. If your intention is to completely wipe every trace of a game, including user settings, cache, or mods, you'll need to manually head to the game's directory. Typically, Steam installs games under this path. C. Program files, 1086. Steam Apps Common. Just open Files Explorer by clicking on Windows plus E. Now then navigate to the folder. Once you're in the correct folder, look for the folder with the game's name and delete it if it's still there. This ensures all assets tied to that game are removed. Also, you might want to clear any related data in Steam's user data folder located at C. Program files, 1086. Steam user data, your user. Inside, you'll find folders with numeric names that represent different games. If you want to remove residual data, like cloud save syncs or settings, identify the correct game ID. You can look this up online if you're unsure, and delete it. For those using Steam's Storage Manager, a tool integrated into newer versions, you can launch it from Settings in here in Steam. Now, click on Storage. This section offers a clean visual layout of which games are installed on which drive. From here, click on the game and select Uninstall to remove it, or even move it to another drive if needed. Finally, if you want to make sure your PC is tidy, consider restarting your system and running a disk cleanup tool afterward. This can help clear temporary files that might still linger after uninstalling games through Steam. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.